Making decisions can be hard. Sometimes we feel stuck, confused, or overwhelmed by too many options. That's where mind maps can help. They turn complex thoughts into clear, visual ideas. A mind map is like a tree. It starts with one main idea at the center, and branches grow out with related thoughts. You can use words, colors, lines, and even small icons to organize your thinking. Let's say you need to decide whether to start a new business or stick with your current job. Start by writing career decision in the center. Then create branches with options like start a business and stay in job. From each branch, add more details. Under start a business, add sub-branches like cost, risk, freedom, and long-term goals. Under stay in job, add things like stability, income, promotion, and workload. Now you can compare the two paths side by side. Mind maps help you see the full picture. You don't forget small details, and your brain can focus better when ideas are connected visually. Another benefit of mind maps is clarity. When all ideas are on one page, you can spot patterns and discover what really matters to you. It's easier to find pros and cons and even new solutions you didn't think of before. Mind maps are also flexible. You can make them with pen and paper, or use digital tools like Xmind, MindMeister, or even Google Docs. You can update them anytime as your thoughts grow or change. They work for both big and small decisions, whether it's choosing a career, planning a trip, or just deciding how to spend your weekend. In the end, mind maps don't make the decision for you, but they make it easier to understand your choices and move forward with more confidence. Try using a mind map the next time you face a big decision. You might be surprised how much clearer everything becomes.